Okay, the purpose of this lab is to manage Linux file systems. The scenario is that the sales team uses the /sales directory to store documents related to sales, contacts, and other orders. Currently, the permissions on the directory allow only the user and group owners to view the directory and list its contents. As part of a network company policy to increase teamwork, you want to allow all users to be able to see the /sales directory and list its contents. You also want to let all users open any document inside that directory, but you don't want them to make changes to those documents. So in this lab, our task is to allow the other group to browse the /sales directory. So to start, let's mouse to the terminal icon and click on terminal to open the terminal, and I'm going to move it up a little bit. I'm going to type pwd to see where we are, what is the present working directory, and we're at the root. And what if we type ls-l and hit enter? What if we go to cd/ and type ls-l there, and we could see the sales directory is right here, and the other group cannot read, write, or execute these files, and that's what we want to change. So we want the other group to be able to browse the /sales directory. So we would do chmod o for other plus to add permissions, r and x /sales. Let's do ls-l to see the change. Now the other group can read and change to this sales directory. We want to modify the positions on all files in the sales directory to allow members of the other group to view the file, but prohibit them from changing the file. So that means we want to add the read permission and not the write permission to all the files in /sales. So we do chmod to change permissions, and we want to do o plus r. So people in the other group can read. We want that to be true we want that to apply to all the files in the sales directory. So we add the /* to the sales. So let's type, that's hit enter. And let's do ls-l rl /sales to look at the permissions. Didn't happen. Okay. All right, now we can see that for all the files in the sales directory, the other group can read those files, but they don't have write permission, so they cannot change the file. So let's mouse to answer questions, which I guess I should have looked at earlier. Let's see what the questions are. Which permission does other have for the sales directory? I'm not sure when they mean. Well, maybe they mean now. I don't know. I'm not clear on what they meant. Which permissions does the other have on the sales directory? They have read and execute. I think they must mean at the start, because at the start they had no permissions. And which permissions does other have on the contents of the sales directory? They started with none. So let's find out if that's what they were talking about by clicking Score the Lab and Score. And that seems to be what they were talking about. So let's wrap that up, and thank you for watching.